My dear sisters and children, and today's first reading taken from the book of Exodus, chapter 34, we find the people were afraid to come near to Moses. Why? Why they were afraid to come near to Moses? Because his face has turned and it was shining. And they were unable to look straight into his face. Can any one of us at 12 o'clock in the noon stand on our ground and look straight into the sunlight? A big challenge, we can take it up. बच्चों 12 बजे धूप के टाइम पर यहाँ पर मैदान में खड़े होकर सूर्य को सामने देखना, 2 मिनट देखना, देख सकते हैं आप लोग धूप को? हाँ, क्यों? Why we cannot look straight into the sunlight? Because its brightness is greater than or brighter than our own eyesight. Human sight is very limited. We can look to a certain extent. Our eyesight can go. If the land is plain, we can look only for 1 or 2 kilometers. After 1 or 2 kilometers, are we able to see with our naked eyes? No. But the sunlight reaches everywhere because it is so bright. The same way, if the sunlight, a created thing can shine so much, how much God can shine, how much the glory of God greater than the sunlight. That is what happening with Moses. So Moses, because Moses is considered as the friend of God, and therefore only when he appeared again and again with God, his face turned exactly shining like God. In California, there is a waterfall. In the waterfall, when the morning sunlight comes and straight falls on that waterfall turns into yellowish and little mingled with a reddish color. And it is so beautiful, and people wait there for a long time to see that sun rising and falling on the waterfall in California. Plenty of people. And as soon as that falls and shines, the water turns to be very yellowish and reddish. Everybody shout and clap hands. In Pachmadi, there is a place called Dupkat. In the evening, when the sun sets, people wait for the sun to set. But to be very frank, neither the sun rises nor the sun sets. That we know. Does the sun rise any time? Neither the sun rises nor the sun sets. It remains in the same place. What appears to us as the sunset or sunrise is due to the movement of the earth. But we give different terms. But this makes people to appreciate and how if the nature can be so beautiful. If people can wait and see the nature, which we call as sunset and sunrise, can be so powerful and so beautiful, how much would be the face of God? How lovely or how lucky Moses was a person who chose to lead the people and could see the face of God again and again. So let us also become friendly with Jesus, friendly with God, so that what can shine? Our face can shine and our lives also can shine, not just a face. Just children were telling in the beginning to make shine our face. I just asked the question, what do we do? They frankly said, innocent children, we do makeup, Father. You know, these makeups will not make us shine longer and better. Our face can shine, our lives can shine only when God mingles with us. And when we mingle with God, when God is part of us. As in the life of Moses, God was always part of him, and therefore he could see God face to face. And therefore, my dear sisters and children, let us always make an effort to be united with God so that we can see the face of God and his reflection can be seen on our faces in our lives. Amen.